Do you think it's good, babe?
Oh, yeah.
We made the steak tonight, guys. Guys, tignan nyo guys si Molly. She is so tired. Look at you, girl. Are you okay? Huh? You okay? Oh. She is exhausted. Poor thing. Poor thing. You nap. Magnanap na yan, guys. Yan ang kailangan niya. She need to just release all her strength. Look at that. You okay? Huh? Girl, are you okay? Oh. You happy? Huh? Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Look at her. Goodness. Like a baby. Okay guys, we're just chilling in the house. Time check, it's 2:23 in the afternoon. What? You wanna say something? Huh? You wanna say something?
She wants on the couch.
Yeah, she wants to be comfortable.
Yeah. Yes, I love you too. Love you too.
Did you had fun, girl?
Did you have fun? Huh?
Did you had
Did you have fun?
Molly, girl, look at your face, bigger than Anthony. Molly had fun. She wants
Big
belly
baby.
rub.
You big baby.
She wants belly rub. Oh. Oi!
Bless you. You big baby.
You're a big baby.
Big
Nap, nap. Nap, nap.
You
Nap,
ready for
nap,
nap?
now.
You want
Nap,
nappy time?
nap. Close your eyes.
Nappy time?
Close your eyes.
Oh yes, I love you too.
Close your eyes.
Molly.
Hello guys. Snack muna tayo. Nakaligo na rin ang lola nyo. Ayan, nakaligo na rin tayo. Ayan si Tony. Say hi, babe.
Hey guys.
Nanonood kami ng Willy's in Wonderland. Nanonood kami ng movie.
Classic movie.
Yan, it's a classic movie. Well guys, balikan ko kay mamaya. Time check. What time is it, babe?
5:30.
5:30 guys. 5:30.
Nicolas Cage's finest.
Malamig pa rin, kaya ka-jacket pa
Another
rin
drink.
tayo. Ayan, we're watching Willy's Wonderland. Willy's Wonderland.
Horror.
It's a horror movie, guys.
Comical.
Huh?
It's comical.
It's comical. Okay, guys. Tapos na yung movie. So, ngayon, kain muna tayo ng tuna. Tapos, ang gagawin ko is iaano ko siya. Para-wrap ko siya dito sa romaine. Wrap natin siya sa romaine, guys. So, ito yung dinner ko na, guys. Time check, it's 5:56 na. So, yan na yung last dinner. Last talaga. Ito na yung last meal ko for the day. Last na to. So, I'm just going to add bacon pieces. Bacon strip. Yan. Add natin siya. It's good, guys. It's really good. Mix now bacon, onions. I don't put any salt. I don't put any pepper. And just the bacon. And then yung tuna. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng Caesar dressings. And I'm telling you guys, this is good. This is really good. This is my dinner and that's it. Molly girl! Molly girl! Titus is home. Okay guys, time check. Time check. Oh. Hold on. Hi. 6:32 and we gotta have a steak night. Yeah guys. Kompleto kami kaya maingay.
Yes, Ty, you can have steak.
Do you think it's good, babe?
Oh, yeah. This is the best.
Who made the steak tonight, guys?
Oh,
Is it good?
yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Let's try it. Taste good.
Is it good, Ash? All right. Is it good? Is it good? Oh, she said it's good. Give her steak. Give her one steak. She wants steak too. Give her one piece. Hey, you want steak too, huh? Do you want it? Oh no. Titus is home, guys. And he is so exhausted. Bumalik lang siya galing sa daddy niya. Weekend kasi ng daddy niya this weekend eh. Are you okay? It's alright. Alright.
Sit.
Sit.
What? Oh,
Fast. Good job.
is that good?
Ate, steak be. Wow. She loved the steak. And we were just watching, guys. Sunday night. That's my Gatorade. Just put it in a cup. Yeah.
Yeah.
Girly girl.
Go get your own cup. Because she said we're supposed to get cups.
Yeah. Everybody loves steak. There you go.
It doesn't smell too good. Cucumber as a drink. Do you like that? Say it in the comments. Just try it. Excuse me. Pretty decent.
It's great. It tastes like cucumbers.
Pretty good. But not too good.
Why you're not so happy about it?
Not too good.
All right.
It's just not too good.
Babe.
Raspberry cream cheese cake bites. So I think it's like a pastry, just like a
Look at that.
strudel.
Is it beautiful? Oh boy, sira na naman ang diet. How is it?
It's good.
It's good? It's good? Mali girl, are you gonna be lost? Huh? Are you gonna be lost? Molly girl, come. Come, girl. Baby girl. Time for bed na, guys. Time for bed. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're still watching movie. Classic movie naman tayo. Classic movie. And si Tony. Say hi, babe.
Eating my bedtime noodles.
Bedtime noodles. Oh my goodness. He always does that. Hey, girly girl. Oh my gosh, your eyes. Girly girl. Oh. Can you sit?
Like this.
Molly. Good morning, guys. So Titus is going school today and he is just waiting for the school bus. He already ate breakfast and right now he's just watching on the phone. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Ayan. Actually, guys, the weather is perfect today. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, and it's sunny. We clean first. Yeah, look at this. Yep.
Joking this time back. Leak got 14 votes. You're not Leak. 9 balls, you only got 9 votes. Yeah, well, I'm gonna make you wait for it.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe.
Going to close the vlog, guys. Good night.
Bye.